No, hell no, boy, you sound like a joke to me, and you look really broke to me. How I'ma take you seriously? Cooking up the groceries.
Yeah, I'm gonna hook you guys up. Yo, what's up? What's up, Mr. 300? Thanks for checking in. Thanks for coming to the video. Hope you guys having a great day. Quick thing, man. You guys ever feel that, like that anxiety, like in your chest because you feel like you're not doing enough? Like you feel like, you know, everything is like tightening in because stuff is tightening in, you know, because you're not doing enough, man. I don't know. I guess I've been reflecting because, you know, it's like the third week of the year, you know, the new year. And it's like, this is when the majority of the people, like half the people cut off and like in, you know, hustling and grinding and doing things, you know, towards their New Year's resolution. You know, I don't know if I am or not. I don't know. We don't know. But shit, man, this is what I've been feeling. It's like, I don't know. It's like you always hear like the majority of millionaires have like 7 streams of income, man. Like, how do you get those 7 streams? Like, how the hell? Like, I got one job. Like, how the hell are you supposed to like get all that other stuff going on while you know, barely making it during the other stuff? You know. I don't know. I was thinking about it and I was like, man, people want to hear about that, man. People want to hear about all that financial issues and not struggles, you know, not harping on people's like negative situations, but they want to hear the like real stuff, you know, because just imagine you get the YouTube pop, you just start talking about your life. You just start talking about like the situations that you're going through. You're going to get ad revenue. That's 1. You're going to get sponsored videos. That's 2. That's more. That's second stream of revenue of income. Second stream of income. You can sell merch. That's 3. That's 3 streams of income right there. You add that on with your regular job, you got 4 streams of income. You already halfway, you know, technically halfway to being a millionaire, you know, because you're supposed to have 7 or 6 or 8 or something like that, 7. I just said 7 or whatever. But then just imagine you start hustling, you know, you start doing your own thing, you know. I make bottles, man. Like, I honestly, like, this is one of my hustles. Even off of YouTube, man, I make all type of different bottles, you know. All type of bottles, man. I'm about to go to a meeting right now at the casino to try to get these up into the actual store, you know, and that's another stream of income. And it's like you can do different things that you love to do. You know, if you like playing video games, man, if you like traveling, you can always market that and do things, and like I said, people want to see that, you know, and you just gotta get out there. You gotta put yourself out there, man. For so long I was trying not to, like, you know, be private and all that other type of stuff, and it's like, man, that ain't how you make money. That ain't how people rock with you. You gotta put yourself out there. All right, so that's what we about to do, man. Also, man, I want to try to make a donut. I want to try to do donuts in the car. I haven't tried to in this car, so I'm gonna turn that traction control off. I'm gonna find me a cool area, a secure, you know, closed off area, and I'm gonna try to, you know, see what it is with these donuts, man, because this car got a lot of torque, you know, and I figured out how to do, you know, turn traction control off, not just with the little TC button, but it's like a little method. I'll show you guys later on how to turn the traction control off. So we about to go do donuts, man. We're gonna have a little meeting. I know it's gonna be a little split. You guys not gonna really see it or whatever, but then we're gonna try to do donuts in Las Vegas on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. You know, I don't know why I said that, but you know, we're just gonna try to do donuts, man. Like I said, man, this I don't know, man. Just have fun, man. Live life, you know. Do something dope. Live your best life. I don't know what else to say, but we about to go there now, man. So I'm gonna handle this business, and then I'm gonna get back and we're gonna try to do those donuts and see what's happening. All right, peace.
Swag overdose, yeah. Swag to the moon. Body back, the Asheville, as well as St. Louis. Balenciaga running up, pop collar with the swag.
All right, so I was doing the donuts, and I'm gonna make that a separate video, man. I apologize. It just took me a long time. It's some good footage. I'm gonna chop that up a certain way, man. I think that's gonna be my first video I heavily edit, because it was kind of dope. So I'm gonna mix that up, and I'm gonna put out another video about me doing donuts, man. But I got some more content. I was driving and I saw a Bentley, so I'm gonna add that to the end of this video, and I'm also gonna add that beginning shot of that red eye that you guys saw at the beginning, man. Sorry, I apologize. The donut video is coming. I want to split it up because it's just gonna take too long. I don't want to not show enough, and if somebody really like, you know, trying to learn how to do a donut, I don't want to like breeze through stuff. So I'm gonna chop that up, man. And I'm gonna make another video. It's gonna come right after. You know, I'm pumping out the videos constantly, man. But anyway, man, it's Mr. 300, man. I love you guys. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. If you guys want to see anything in Vegas, let me know. Comment down below what you want to see, whatever type of video you want to see, whatever casino you want to see, whatever natural habitat you want to see in Vegas, anything you want to see in Vegas, man, comment down below. My last video I'm giving away, I got a giveaway going on. I'm still giving away my car when I get to 100,000 subscribers, not this car, my other cars, so please subscribe to be in the winnings for that. Anyway, man, Mr. 300, man, thank you for watching, thank you for viewing.
I got the motors coming by the fuse. I hope it related, nigga. After I made her tie my shoes, I made her my favorite. Everything we did exclusive, ain't no way faking it.
I'm gonna hook you guys up, man, with the i8. I never seen a red one before. That's dope, right? I like the i8s, man. I know they're not the fastest car in the world, you know. I know they're not the sickest, you know, but they're a supercar. I like the tech. Like the nerd in me is like, this is like a super strong Tesla, you know, almost. I know the Tesla's dope too, but this is like a super car Tesla or something, man. I don't know. I just like them. I like them a lot. You got the doors, speed, got the look. They're dope. I like them. I like them a lot.